Hey Lamar, how's it going guys? Welcome back to another video. We are working on a Polo today, as always. We are going to be installing, or we're not working on it today per se, but we're going to get parts. So I'm off to the owner's house now to go check the Polo, see what parts we need. We've got a management block that we're going to be installing in the car, and then yeah, we'll just take it from there. I gotta go, I'm running late. Alright guys, we just got to the house now. We're going to quickly check out the car. We've got Brandon, the owner. She's fresh back from the panel beater. She's looking awesome. The bumper, by the way, bro. Ooh, it's so sick, man. So she just needs the lows in the back there. You can see she's sitting like a 4x4, but we're going to sort that out. And I'm going to put you guys on the tripod. I need to quickly sort out some stuff and then we'll take it from there. You guys have seen this already. I already started the video obviously shopping for the parts. We've got everything here on the table. It's going to be going in, and there's our VU2 management, and then there's the current boot setup. We're going to be obviously swapping out the solenoids and stuff like that. So at the moment we're prepping the bags, and then we're going to start stripping the inside, getting the pipes run, and then yeah, first thing we need to do is take the air out completely of the tank itself. Jordan's already wasted 90% of the air on the fronts, and then we're just going to remove the fitting really slowly on the tank, and the air will slowly seep out. Once that air stops seeping out completely, you can disconnect the system. That way you're not going to have a piece shoot up and hit somebody. We've told you guys about this before, but I just want to stress it. Do not pull anything off of a tank that's fully pressured. You will kill somebody, or you'll hurt someone. Alright, so we have the management or T's in here. So we have a T-piece basically replacing the solenoid there, and then we have another T-piece here with running the gauge, and then this goes back to the management. So this piece is sorted, and obviously we had to remove the entire solenoid. So it made everything a lot smaller. We have to remove, there's another one of this? Oh, there's it there. The solenoids together, rest in peace my car keys. These are them. So basically all of this is being replaced by that small little block. Jordan injured himself like a dummy. Alright, we're going to start working on the back, get the management in, and then we're going to put the rear bags in, and then take it from there. So we'll get that sorted now. You guys will see that. So we're making pretty good progress. Yeah, we'll figure it out. So Jordan can show you guys here. We have the valve in now. Intake, obviously, this will be our exhaust. We're going to route the exhaust pipe out here. It's going to come out here and outside the car. Oh god, I almost fell. Then we've got this one over here. This is the front bags. This is going to be the rear bags. You can see it here. We've also got a T-piece that's running the gauge sensor. So we're about to run the pipe that's going to go outside the car, remove the rear springs, put the rear bags in and then test it from there. But we pressurized the system. The front is up. You can see the front is actually aired up, so it does work. We just need to basically neaten everything up. So yeah, we're going to do that now and then you guys will see where we go from there. But basically we're almost done. I'd say we're about 60% of the way. The best now is just fit the rear bags and then air it out. Sweet. Out. Man, skin the button or what? There we go, look at that. Tucked in there now. Nice tuck. Now, yes, boys. Hold it for you again. No, it's fine. I don't mind holding it so we can get all the boys in here. Got everybody here. Ashley, Jordy. The car is finally finished. Everything's sorted. Boot's done. She's looking awesome. We're really excited. We've just shot the cinematics for it, so you guys are going to have to wait to see that. Depends how fast Ashley gets onto it. But you guys will see that soon. She's looking awesome. I'll show you guys how she's sitting. Angle's a bit wide, but she looks flipping sick. Finally happily bagged. I just think he just needs to change tire size and then she'll be good. And he's also got some knocking noise, but that I think is on, I don't know, maybe you guys have seen this. When the car is accelerating, you don't hear it. When the car is braking, you don't hear it. But when it's not either of those two things, they're basically just coasting, and the car hears like quite a loud rattling noise coming from the motor side. And it seems to progressively getting worse. We're not exactly sure what's wrong. It's a bit out of our level. We don't really know about that stuff, so can't say much about it. But yeah, she looks awesome. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Let us know in the comment section what you guys think of the car. What do you guys want to see next on the car? I'm sure Brandon will be interested to hear as well. Alright, the plane left. Yeah. So yeah, she's done. We're waiting for the owner. He's on his way now to come collect, and then yeah, we'll basically be finished. But yeah, like I said, if you guys did enjoy the video, let us know what you guys think in the comment section. Like, subscribe, and I don't know. Do we have a catchphrase? Should we get a catchphrase at some point? What should our catchphrase be? What? His wheels are loose. Are you sure? saying? Awe makaze! Maybe that should be our catchphrase. Awe makaze!